iDevices has made it simple and quick to set up your wall switch or dimmer switch. In this video demo, we'll be installing a wall switch, but the wiring and setup process is exactly the same if you are installing a dimmer switch. In the box, you will find a product installation guide, as well as a few wire nuts to help with your installation. You will also need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a voltage detector, and pliers for the installation process. iDevices switches fit any standard size rocker faceplate, so you can select one that works best for your home. If the wires in your gang box differ from the installation described in this video, or you are unclear at any point of the installation process, please consult a qualified, licensed electrician. Your iDevices product must be installed in a manner that conforms to all applicable national, state, and local building codes. Turn off the power to the circuit at your breaker or fuse panel. If you are replacing an existing switch, verify that the switch no longer has power by turning the switch on, then off several times to verify the power is off. Remove the existing faceplate and pull the switch out carefully from the gang box. iDevices products require a neutral wire, usually white, in each gang box where a switch is being installed. If you do not have a neutral wire in the gang box, the iDevices products are not compatible. Take a photo of your existing wiring for future reference. Remove both wires from the terminals of the existing switch and cap with the provided wire nuts. Note, if you have more than 2 wires connected to your wall switch, not including the ground wire, which is usually bare copper or green in color, please view the 3-way, 4-way installation instructions. Wherever possible, install iDevices products in a non-metallic gang box and use a non-metallic faceplate, as metal gang boxes and faceplates can decrease the Wi-Fi signal strength. Turn the power back on at the breaker. Using your voltage detector, identify which of the 2 wires you removed is energized. The energized wire is the line wire. Mark this wire. The wire that is not energized is the load wire. Note these 2 wires for future reference. Turn the power back off at the breaker and install your iDevices product. Connect the red wire on the iDevices product to the load wire you removed from the previous switch, but did not mark. Connect the black wire on the iDevices product to the line wire you did previously mark. Connect the white wire on the iDevices product to the neutral wires, which are usually white. Finally, connect the bare copper ground wire on the iDevices product to the ground wires in the gang box. Ensure the wire caps are securely fastened. Carefully push the wires into the gang box and install the iDevices product, taking care not to pinch any wires. Install the faceplate. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker and confirm that the LED on your iDevices product lights up purple. Congratulations! Your iDevices product is now installed. Refer to the installation and setup guide to connect the switch to your Wi-Fi network. If you want to learn more about iDevices products or need additional help, head over to iDevicesinc.com/support.